In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join meshes in Blender. Joining meshes is one of the quickest ways to combine separate objects into a single, clean, and manageable model. It's perfect for scene organization, light cleanup, and moving from a block out to more detailed editing. I'll walk you through the exact keystrokes and share a few tips so you feel confident doing this every time. Start in the 3D viewport and select the objects you want to combine. Hold Shift and click each object to add it to your selection. If they're clustered together, press B to activate box select and drag a rectangle around them. Take a moment to orbit your view so you catch everything you intend to include and nothing you don't. The last object you select becomes the active one, which matters because after the join, the combined object will take its name and origin from that active selection. If you select something by accident, just shift click it again to remove it. With everything you want selected, press Ctrl plus J. Instantly, Blender fuses all selected objects into a single object. In the outliner, you'll see they collapse into one entry, which makes your scene much tidier. Materials from the original objects are carried over as slots on the new object, and the geometry is now shared. From this point on, transforms and edits apply to the whole combined mesh. To start shaping it as one piece, press Tab to enter edit mode. You'll now see all the vertices, edges, and faces from the previously separate objects in one place. And this is the key advantage. You can select and tweak parts across what used to be different objects without jumping back and forth. If you need to quickly switch back to object level actions, press Tab again to return to object mode. A quick cleanup pass is highly recommended after joining overlapping vertices can sneak in where objects touched. Press A to select all geometry, then press M and choose by distance. Blender will remove duplicate and overlapping vertices based on a small threshold, leaving you with cleaner topology. If you remove more than intended, simply undo and try again with a gentler distance setting. From here, continue editing as needed, move geometry with G, scale with S, and delete unwanted bits with X. With everything unified, refining topology, sculpting broad forms, and organizing materials becomes much simpler. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Blender tips and tutorials.